How real people use real estate to build wealth. It's a step-by-step guide. I want you to think homeownership is just about having a roof over your head. No, it's not. What if I told you it's one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth, and I've seen it happen firsthand over and over again? Let me walk you through what I call the wealth loop. It starts with your first home. You buy it, start building equity through monthly payments and appreciation, and when the time is right, you can leverage that equity. I have a client who built their first home, literally built it because her husband was a contractor. They lived in that home while renting out rooms and basement space to create extra income. Smart, right? As equity grew, they used it to buy another property and another, always keeping that equity moving forward and always with a purpose, either to live in or to help others. They've created community in their home by housing tenants, mentoring them, and in some cases, helping them transition to homeownership too. Their daughters grew up watching all of this. One daughter bought her first home with her husband using help from their parents' equity. The parents even co-signed. That couple then rented out rooms, built more equity, and sold that home and bought another on their own. Their other daughters followed suit. This is how you create legacy, not just with wealth, but with knowledge and opportunity. If you want to create this kind of ripple effect for yourself and your family, or help with your kids and helping your kids step into homeownership, let's build a strategy. DM me legacy and I'll send you a custom wealth building roadmap.